When we look up at the night sky, what we're really seeing is a tiny fraction of the vast and almost unimaginable universe. From Earth, our view is limited by both physical and technological constraints, but even so, the universe puts on a breathtaking display. Understanding what we can observe and why is key for any student of astronomy, as it connects us to fundamental principles about light, space, and the very nature of existence. Let's explore what we're really seeing when we gaze at the cosmos. The first thing to understand is that the light reaching Earth is ancient. Stars, planets, and galaxies are so far away that their light takes years, sometimes millions or even billions of years, to arrive here. When you look at a star like Sirius, the brightest star in our night sky, you're seeing it as it was about 8.6 years ago. For galaxies like Andromeda, the light you're observing is over 2.5 million years old. This time travel aspect of astronomy is one of its most mind-blowing principles. Every glance at the sky is a look back in time, offering a natural archive of the universe's history. From Earth, the observable universe is limited to the celestial sphere we can see at any given time, determined by our location and the time of year. Our planet's rotation causes stars to appear to move across the sky, while its orbit around the sun reveals different constellations throughout the year. This is why the northern and southern hemispheres have unique sets of stars and constellations visible at night. For example, those in the northern hemisphere can admire Ursa Major and Polaris, the North Star, while the southern hemisphere boasts the Southern Cross and Alpha Centauri, one of our closest stellar neighbors. The naked eye can see approximately 6,000 stars under ideal conditions, but the true number is much smaller in most modern settings due to light pollution. Urban areas with excessive artificial light obscure much of the celestial beauty, leaving only the brightest stars and planets visible. However, when you escape to a dark sky location, the sheer number of stars can be overwhelming, giving a clearer sense of the vastness of space. Some of the most stunning sights include the Milky Way, which appears as a luminous band stretching across the sky, our own galaxy Cygni. Planets in our solar system are among the most accessible objects to observe from Earth. Venus, often called the evening star, shines brightly near sunrise or sunset, while Jupiter and Saturn frequently steal the show with their size and brightness. With binoculars or a small telescope, you can see Jupiter's largest moons or Saturn's iconic rings. Mars, with its reddish hue, is another favorite for stargazers, especially during its close approaches to Earth. These planetary observations teach us about orbital mechanics, light reflection, and planetary atmospheres, key concepts in astronomy. Beyond the stars and planets, Earth-based observers can also see nebulae, star clusters, and even entire galaxies with the right equipment. The Orion Nebula, for instance, is visible to the naked eye in Orion's sword, while the Pleiades, a star cluster also known as the Seven Sisters, is a stunning sight with binoculars. For those with a telescope, Andromeda, our neighboring galaxy, offers a glimpse into a star system beyond our own, a reminder of the billions of galaxies that make up the universe. These deep sky objects are crucial for understanding stellar evolution and the large-scale structure of the cosmos. The Moon, of course, is the most familiar celestial body we can observe, and it's a fascinating subject for astronomy enthusiasts. Its phases, caused by the changing angles of sunlight hitting its surface, are a perfect demonstration of how celestial mechanics work. The Moon's surface, with its craters and maria, tells a story of impacts and volcanic activity over billions of years. Observing lunar eclipses, where Earth's shadow falls across the Moon, or solar eclipses, when the Moon blocks the Sun, connects us to the dynamic movements of celestial bodies. Advancements in technology have significantly expanded what we can see of the universe from Earth. Telescopes like Hubble, although in space, provide breathtaking images of phenomena we cannot detect with the naked eye, from distant galaxies to supernovae. Ground-based observatories equipped with massive mirrors and adaptive optics have revealed exoplanets orbiting distant stars and the mysterious workings of black holes. Even amateur astronomers now have access to powerful telescopes and imaging tools, bringing the wonders of the universe closer than ever before. Finally, let's not forget the role of radio and other non-visible wavelengths in revealing the universe. Human eyes are limited to visible light, but celestial objects emit energy across the electromagnetic spectrum, from radio waves to X-rays. Using radio telescopes, astronomers can map distant galaxies, detect pulsars, and even explore the afterglow of the Big Bang itself, known as the cosmic microwave background. This multi-wavelength approach helps us see the universe in ways our eyes never could, offering a more complete picture of its vast and complex nature. In conclusion, what we conceive the universe from Earth is a mesmerizing mix of nearby objects like the moon and planets, distant stars and galaxies, and ancient light that connects us to the beginnings of time. For students of astronomy, each observation is a chance to explore fundamental principles like light travel, celestial mechanics, and the vast scale of the cosmos. By looking up, we not only learn about the universe but also our place within it, a humbling and inspiring perspective that will keep you stargazing for years to come.